Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and I'm super excited for this series because when I posted my freelancing experience on my YouTube channel, there were various people reach out to me saying that Rohan, can you create more videos on freelancing, how to start and how to actually do things. So I thought, why not to make a series on that, showing how it is done, what are the good part, what are the weird part, what are the bad parts, and what are the websites and things we can pick up freelancing clients from. So I thought that okay, let's do that, and I have shared couple of experience in this series. So there will be couple of videos coming in this series, so stay tuned. And what I'll be doing is I'll be talking about what is freelancing, what are some good part, what are the bad parts of freelancing, and some website that you can look for and get started with freelancing. So I've shared my couple of experience. So I'm not I'm not a super experienced guy in freelancing. I'm doing it for years, and so I've done a couple of time, like to the timeline of 2 years, and it went good for me and bad too. So I've said that in my freelancing experience video. If you have not watched that video, so go and watch it first. So watch this series full. This is gonna be 7 to 8 videos in total, and it's gonna come one by one. It's already recorded. I'll be editing them one by one and uploading them. So it's not that I'll have planned, I will record. It's not that. Everything is recorded. I'll be editing and uploading them one by one. So stay tuned. There will be a gap of 1 or 2 days max to max, and uploading them all. So seeing this video, what you can do is you can gain some perspective. It's not that I'm harshing you on certain points that you should do this. You can only see this video and gain some perspective. Okay, this is the thing I have done and I should not do. So you can plan it accordingly for your own, because everyone is doing they have their own set of skills, they have own set of experience, they have on their place where they come from, on their time zone they come from. So if you're new here, consider subscribing this channel, because I am working so hard to bring these videos. And it's 11:30 in the night. I am recording this video, and I'll be keep recording videos till like 2 or 3 max to max. For this series I am working so hard. So if you're new here, consider subscribing, hit that bell icon, hit that like button, and let's get started with this freelancing series. Goodbye.